Hey YouTube, easy as pie here again with the Kawasaki 440. To get started, go ahead and just take your gas tank out. Start just like in the gas tank removal video. It's going to be the exact same thing. So disconnect your hoses here, grab your spade screwdriver and loosen this up, and then go ahead and grab your straps and push down in the back and these two straps will come off. Now I'm going to set the camera down so I can actually get at this stuff. And now that your gas tank's out, you'll find the easiest way to get at this water box is go ahead with your spade screwdriver and disconnect these hoses here. Pull the left and the right hose apart from the water box. Go ahead and just push each of these buckles down. And once you've got that, you'll see that that'll pull out. You may find that disconnecting this strap here and taking this entire section out may make it easier. Once this is out, you can rotate this out and pull it away from this hose. So just a quick tip there. So here's that portion of the exhaust. It's been removed from the expansion chamber and from the water box. So just go ahead and grab this and give it a good pull until you've got it out. And there it is. So go ahead, just take this out. And be careful not to yank any of your lines as you're doing it. Now you'll want to disconnect this hose from your water box. It's just a simple band again. Take it off and it should be off. So, here this thing's full of water. I'm going to empty the water out, I'll give it away and see what it is compared to the new water box. And here is the aftermarket water box. It's made of aluminum. Looks like it's about 1/8 inch. It is used, but it's in fantastic condition, and it's actually got some hydroturf on the bottom to reduce the vibration in the hull and protect it a little bit. So what I'm going to do here is I've got a pretty serious scale. It'll handle between, a couple pounds and 200 pounds, and we're going to weigh out the stock one after it's dried for a couple days. It is 4.83 pounds. So this stock water box actually isn't near as heavy as I thought it was. So I guess that's good information. You see on a lot of the advertisements on eBay, these guys say that your stock water box weighs 10 pounds. Well, obviously that's not true. So the aftermarket water box, aluminum, is 3.22 or 3 pounds 2.2 ounces. So you can see there is a significant difference there, but it's not near as big as many will advertise. So I guess the lesson there is if you're looking for gains, it's not really in the weight. So anyways, before we throw this back in there, I'm going to hook up the hoses. This hose, you'll see your left hose is going to go back on the way it originally came off, and on your right you'll see it is a slightly different layout, so we'll have to do some rearranging. So there it is, kind of roughed in place here. I'll tell you now, the easiest thing to do before you put this in, go ahead and get these two straps attached to the clip that's on the back side. There's only one. Go ahead and just put tension on it and hold it with one hand up here and use your other hand to push your water box up in there, keeping tension on these the whole time. Otherwise, if they get loose, they'll come off of this clip on the back side, and unless you have like the world's smallest arms and hands, there's no way you're going to get those reclipped on the back. So once you got it in there, keep the tension on it, pull them down and clip them onto these clips you'll see here. So once you got that in there, go ahead and get your expansion chamber hose, or at least the exhaust portion of that, with the silencer in there hooked up to your water box. And then, so the way this is set up, I'm actually just going to use the direct line and hook it up to the water box, the exhaust port there. Alright, so now that we've got everything out of there and everything's fit in place, we'll look at the true weight reduction of this. So yeah, we could just look at the 4.81, or I should say 4 pounds 8 ounces of the initial water box weight, But we've also got the fitting that I ended up removing from the line, and the hose that helps keep water out of the water box. So in total, that ends up being 5 pounds, 10 ounces, or a reduction of about 2 pounds, 2 ounces, maybe 2 pounds, 8 ounces. So it's not a huge amount out of there, but you know, if you're looking at every pound here, that's a pretty good amount of weight, but maybe not worth the cost of the aftermarket parts if you're looking for weight reduction. So all in all, I'm happy with the new piece, the way it fits in here. It'll be fun. I'm looking forward to hearing what it sounds like on the water. So anyways, if you're looking to do this modification, I hope this entire process has been helpful. It's really a pretty easy one. You can do this in about, maybe an hour if you've got all your tools ready. It's not too bad. You don't have to do too many modifications. So anyhow, if you like it, subscribe, and hit me up with what other kind of videos you guys want to see. Thanks.